Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I am sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you which two fuses to check in case your power sliding doors are not working. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. The fuse box on a Dodge Grand Caravan is located under the front hood, just next to the battery, right here. Now to lift the cover you'll have two clips, one here, one here. You want to press onto both of these to unlock it and lift the cover up. Also on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. Main fuse to check is fuse number J11, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for the power to sliding door module. And the second fuse worth checking is fuse number J3, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for the power to rear door module. So these two fuses, this one and this one right here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.